Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app problems, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of LinkedIn. When you'll find this page of app info, you click on the first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. If it's not working with you, you can go to your Play Store. You can search about LinkedIn, and if you'll find here in this blue sign update, you can click to update your app to fix that problem you have with LinkedIn. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.